Good morning everyone, I am Panch.
I am Aniket.
We are from Bharati Vidya Mandir School, Uddham Srinagar, Ludhiana. In today's world, we can see that everyone is enough busy. They try to save their time instead in cost of their life. In past, we have seen that fatal accidents happened due to unmanned railway crossings, overloading of trucks, autos and buses. Accident also happen when the ambulance can't find their way to reach the hospital at the time. So, we have made this prototype to solve this problem and to save the precious lives of people.
In this model, we have designed the system to prevent the accident at the railway crossing. We have designed the prototype system in which when train is 2 kilometers far away, then it will give signals to the laser barrier, and laser barrier will be activated. And another signal will be given to the audio sensor, and it can warn the people to refrain from the tracks. And when the train is 1 kilometer away from the track, it gives message to the metal barrier, and metal barrier starts falling down slowly. And when the people tries to go underneath this barrier, this motor can send the water through the pipe and sprinkled on the people. So with the help of this, we can prevent the accident at the railway crossing.
In this model, we have designed a system to prevent the road accidents. So it is observed that ambulance didn't get the way to reach the hospital timely. We have used here global positioning system, that is GPS. So ambulance will send the signal to other vehicles from the distance of 1 kilometer, and the other vehicles, the drivers of other vehicles will get the signal and the location of the ambulance, and they will get aside to clear the passage for the ambulance to reach the hospital timely. And after that, we have, in this scenario, we can see that here is the auto. We have made this auto with the use of motion sensor and counters, and we can see that the auto drivers try to carry more passengers than the allowed number of passengers. So here we have system that will turn off ignition, and after that buses also have this system with the counters and motion sensors which will debar the bus drivers to carry more passengers. We can see that here is the shipping corporation. We have made truck that we can see that truck get overloaded. So in this we have made truck which have pressure sensors and the GPS system. If the truck will be get overloaded, the pressure sensor will detect the pressure and send signal to the police station. So with this, the ignition will be turned off with the help of pressure sensor, and the pressure will be detected with the pressure sensor. So the ignition will be turned off, and the system alarm will go to the truck's driver.
In this bike, we have designed the helmet. In the helmet, there is an igniter of the bike. If the rider will not wear the helmet, it will give first warning to the rider. And if the rider, without wearing the helmet, try to start it, then bike will not start.
So this was our model. With the help of this model, we will save many lives. Thank you.